Good morning, students. Today, our topic reflection and refraction. Two most important phenomena of light. One is reflection and other is refraction. Today, we will discuss in details about both reflection as well as refraction. Before starting about this, we should discuss, we should know about some equipments which is related to the phenomena like prism, glass slab, lens, two type of lens, convex and concave. We will discuss further about this. And mirror means reflected surface, and three type of mirrors: convex, concave and plane. We will discuss all about this during the chapter. Now we start from light. What is light? Light. Light is an invisible medium which help us which helps us to see the other objects. Mean light is an invisible. Invisible mean which cannot be seen. यानी जो दिखाई ना दे. Medium माध्यम which help us जो हमारी सहायता करता है to see देखना the other objects. यानी लाइट है वो एक ऐसा माध्यम है जो दूसरी वस्तुओं को देखने में हमारी सहायता करता है, लेकिन खुद अदृश्य है, इनविजिबल है, खुद दिखाई नहीं देता. Any type of object you want to look in the light, sunlight or torch light, you can able to see, but in the dark room you cannot see such object. So, only a medium which help us to see the object, that is light. Light is an invisible medium which help us to see the other objects. जो दूसरी वस्तुओं को देखने में हमारी सहायता करता है वो हमारा क्या है? प्रकाश, लाइट. लाइट ट्रैवल करे, ट्रैवल ऑफ लाइट है डिपेंड ऑन द मीडियम. व्हाट इज मीडियम? What is medium? The path of propagation of light is called medium. मीन्स क्या? द पाथ रास्ता, प्रोपगेशन गमन करना, गति करना, ऑफ लाइट की जो गति कर लाइट चलती है, गमन करती है जिस रास्ते से, उसके रास्ते को ही हम क्या कहते हैं? मीडियम, माध्यम कहा जाता है. द पाथ ऑफ प्रोपगेशन ऑफ लाइट, प्रकाश के गति करने का जो मार्ग है उसको क्या कहते हैं? माध्यम कहते हैं. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ द मीडियम. वन डेंस and second rare. Dense and rare, two medium. Dense medium, a medium in which particles of medium are closer to each other. A medium in which particles of medium are closer to each other. Such medium is called dense. Example, glass, dust. Rare medium. A medium in which particles of medium are separate or not closer to each other as compared to dense. Not closer to each other. Example है air. Particles of air are separate far away to each other. So there are two medium. One is dense and what is rare. In the dense medium, imagine the particle of medium are closer to each other. Such medium is dense and particle of the medium are separate. That is called rare medium. If air is a rare medium, but smoke particle become closer, it become a dense medium. Many medium example है glass, dust, air, water, all are the examples of the mediums. When a ray of light travel, any object become in the path of light, then what will be happen? जब प्रकाश की कोई किरण गति करे और उसके पथ पर, उसके रास्ते पर कोई वस्तु आ जाए, उसके बीच में ऑब्जेक्ट आ जाए कोई, then what will be happen? तब क्या होगा? It will be depend on the nature of the object. कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट है जो उसके रास्ते में आएगा, उसका नेचर कैसा है, इस पे डिपेंड करे. In the previous class or lower classes, you read some objects, a type of objects, transparent, opaque, and translucent. Opaque, transparent and translucent. Opaque, transparent or translucent. Transparent object, the object through which we can see. Example, it is slab, it is a transparent, through it we can see able. Other example, air, water. So water, air, glass. These are transparent objects. Opaque, some objects, that object through which we cannot able to see. Example, duster, blackboard, tables, door, means through which we cannot able to see. Third, translucent. Translucent object through which a little amount of light can pass, but we cannot able to identify the object. Only little amount of light can be passed or we can feel the substance on the other side, but we are not able to identify that. According to the nature of the substance, the behavior of ray of light also change. First, when a ray of light travel an opaque object like dust or anything come, light cannot pass through it and cannot reflect after striking to this. So it neither reflect the light nor pass the light. It absorb the light and it is execute or diffuse at the such point. Other point, if there comes some reflected surface, shining surface, which reflect the light in the same direction back. When a ray light travel and striking and turn back, this phenomena is a reflection. And when a ray of light pass through a transparent medium, then this phenomena is called reflection. First, what is reflection? Reflection. When a ray of light when a ray of light after striking to when a ray of light after striking to a shining surface turn back in same medium, this phenomena of light is called reflection of light. जब प्रकाश की कोई किरण किसी परावर्तक तल से या चमकीले तल से टकराकर उसी दिशा में वापस लौट आए, इस प्रकाश की इस फिनोमिना को, इस प्रक्रिया को हम प्रकाश का अपवर्तन परावर्तन कहते हैं. अब एज एग्जाम्पल, वी एबल टू सी कि एनी रे then it striking to and reflect in the same direction, or when you have any shining substance या object, ray of light striking and turn back in same medium, this phenomena is called reflection of a light. Next, laws of reflection. परावर्तन के नियम, लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. It is a shining surface. A ray of light up striking to this surface and turn back in same medium. And a point of contact take the perpendicular. This is incident ray. It is a reflected ray. This shining surface, main axis, and at a point of contact perpendicular, this is called perpendicular. Perpendicular. Incident ray and perpendicular make the incident angle. Perpendicular and reflected ray make the reflected angle. So, laws of reflections. First, incident ray, reflected ray and perpendicular all lie in the same medium. It is medium number 1 and it is medium number 2. First law है incident ray, reflected ray and perpendicular lie in same medium. Lie in same medium. Number 2, incident angle and reflected angle are always equal. Incident angle equal to reflected angle. These are two laws of reflection. First, incident ray, reflected ray and perpendicular. All three lie in the same medium or medium number 1. And incident angle is always equal to the reflected angle. Next, Snell's law. What is Snell's law? Snell's law. Snell's law. The ratio of sine of two angles is always constant. If we take the proportion of these two angles which are equal in the form of sine, sine angle incidence means I upon angle sine of reflection, this angle is always a constant. This is called Snell's law. This is called Snell's law. It is about only reflection. What is reflection? Repeat again. When a ray of light after striking to a shining surface turn back in same medium, this phenomena of light is called reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection: incident ray, reflected ray and perpendicular lie in the same medium. And second, incidence angle is always equal to the reflected angle. And the sine ratio of two angles is always constant, and that is called Snell's law. The next phenomena of light is refraction. We will discuss about this in next video, and it is sufficient for today. Thank you.